Why does EQ matter in music production? Well, it's like asking why a painter needs different shades of colors. EQ, short for equalization, is a critical tool for shaping the sound in music production. It allows you to balance the different frequencies in a sound recording, making it sound just right. So let's dive into the world of EQ and learn how to use it effectively. First, it's important to understand the basics. EQ is all about frequencies. Every sound we hear, from the lowest bass note on a piano to the highest squeak of a mouse, is made up of different frequencies. When you're producing music, you can use EQ to amplify or reduce these frequencies, changing the sound's character and balance. Next, you will need to familiarize yourself with the different types of EQ. There are 4 main types: parametric, graphic, shelving, and filter. Each has its unique characteristics and uses. Parametric EQ is the most flexible, allowing you to control the frequency, bandwidth, and gain. Graphic EQ divides the frequency range into fixed bands, while shelving EQ allows you to boost or cut frequencies above or below a certain point. Lastly, filters let you completely remove frequencies above or below a set point. In the third step, you start applying EQ. This process begins with listening. Put on your best pair of headphones, play your track, and listen carefully. What frequencies stand out? What's missing? What's overshadowing something else? Once you've identified the issues, you can start to address them with EQ. When applying EQ, remember to be subtle. The goal is not to drastically change the sound, but to balance it. Think of it as seasoning a dish. Too much can overpower the original flavor. A good rule of thumb is to cut rather than boost. If a frequency is too prominent, try reducing it before boosting others. The final step is to experiment and practice. Like any other skill, using EQ effectively takes time and experience. Don't be afraid to try different things, make mistakes, and learn from them. Now, let's revisit what we've covered. EQ is a vital tool in music production that allows you to balance different frequencies in a sound recording. There are 4 main types of EQ: parametric, graphic, shelving, and filter, each with its unique characteristics and uses. When applying EQ, the process begins with careful listening, followed by subtle adjustments. Remember, the goal is balance, not drastic change. And finally, experimentation and practice are key to mastering the use of EQ. Remember, EQ is not about fixing a bad recording, but enhancing a good one. Like a skilled painter choosing the right shades, choosing the right frequencies can turn a good track into a masterpiece. So keep practicing, keep experimenting, and soon you'll be painting with sound, using EQ to create your musical masterpieces.